I'm sitting by the humble yet mighty dandelion. Dandelion has some amazing properties for being such a simple plant that's everywhere on the planet and easy to grow or forage. It just can't be overlooked. It can't be overlooked. So you can use the flowers, you can use the leaves, and you can use the roots. And in our class, I'll tell you about making a nutritive powder with the leaves. So grab a couple handfuls of leaves as you're harvesting. But what we really want, what we're planning in the class, is to use the root for our 4 roots tea. So dandelion is a mild liver supporter, and it's helpful for edema and swelling because it helps your kidneys process out more salt and water. So yeah, dandelion. Click.